Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. We're just gonna make some vegetables for dinner here. And in front of me here I have onions in avocado oil. And then I'm just gonna use the tomato paste here. Um, uh, so enough of that. And then for greens, all you need is just a little bit of salt, not a lot of salt, just a little bit of salt here, and a little bit of garlic, not a lot of garlic, just a little bit. You don't have to spice this stuff here. It's very spicy in itself. And this is from my garden. And I'm just gonna make everything so it doesn't go bad. I'm just gonna cook all of it. I can freeze the half of it. So that's how you do that. Trust me, it actually looks like a lot, but all of it is gonna shrink in no time. So guys, I'm just gonna cover that. It's gonna steam for approximately 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, and I can see that the burger has cooked really well. It actually looks really yummy and ready to go. And it's actually not as much as it looked before because everything has shrunk. Hey guys, I was actually able, nimeweza kupika chakula hapa hivi. So, join me. This is how you make ugali. And before I continue doing this, let me just advise you that this water was boiling before I started doing this. And then you don't want to go near, usikaribie sana sufuria. So, as we talk, ugali wetu umeiva. It comes really fast because I just dumped everything together and I feel like cooking real food today and I have fun doing this. It's a combination of, I had some white flour here that I mixed with this. Kabizu sorghum. So I mix really well before I start cooking. I'm just gonna cover this so it can cook real good. Chewy! Hey! What's up? What's up? Why are you mad? That is a howling cat. Where's your friend? Chewy, where's your friend? Is she outside? Oh, okay, go down. Come here. Say hi. Now, this is Chewy, the original tiger. The cutest. You say Chewy, they all come here. This is Chewy, this is Lola. So they belong to my daughter, but I'm the grandma. Okay, I think my ugali is ready. Oh, actually it smells really good. Yeah, hey Maiva. This is how you do ugali. Get a bowl. You get a serving like that. And then that's how you do that. Oh, welcome. Ugali wa wimbi. This is how you do this. This is how you do this. You get a little bit like that. And then you mix. And then you scoop like that. Totally yummy. If you're still there right now, please subscribe to this channel.